Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab, and today we're going to show you our billet thermostat housing for the 2011 to current 6.7 Powerstroke. These 6.7 Powerstrokes are getting to be pretty old now, some of them almost 15 years. If you haven't done thermostats yet, it may be time to consider. And if you're doing thermostats, you might want to look at replacing the OEM plastic thermostat housing. The plastic thermostat housing on these trucks are notorious for becoming brittle with age, high mileage, and cracking, causing massive coolant leaks. If you are taking your engine apart for any reason or changing your thermostat, it is a good idea and a reliability upgrade to get rid of that plastic component and exchange it for our CNC machine Billet Aluminum version. What we've done is essentially made a direct fit OEM replacement of the plastic part out of 6061 billet aluminum, machined here in-house on our 5-axis CNC and black anodized for a corrosion-resistant finish, which is a direct replacement to that plastic part to give you more reliability and peace of mind to not have any coolant leak. This component also pairs very nicely with our upper thermostat housing kit, which is a new aluminum coolant pipe from the radiator to the thermostat housing, which is a really nice dress-up component, eliminating that factory rubber hose and plastic connector at the thermostat housing. So if you're interested in that upper coolant pipe kit, you can check that out on a separate product page, and we have a video on that as well. Otherwise, if you've got any questions on the billet thermostat here, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to our sales team, and we'd be happy to help.